Hello and welcome. I'm Vincent McCory. This is Africa 54. Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta is breathing a sigh of relief on Friday after the International Criminal Court dropped charges of crimes against humanity against him. Now, the decision was announced 2 days after the Hague Court gave prosecutors a week to either bolster or drop the charges. President Kenyatta responded swiftly to the decision, saying on Twitter that he feels vindicated. He also said 1 down, 2 to go, referring to 2 other ICC cases against Kenyans that he hopes to have dropped. Now, U.S.-based Human Rights Watch has criticized the decision, saying it sets back efforts to end the country's entrenched culture of impunity. It says the roadblocks in the Kenyatta trial make it all more important now for the ICC to figure out how it can move ahead with high-profile cases against powerful people. Well, now for more reaction, we go to Nairobi, Kenya, where we're joined via Skype by VOA's Gabe Josler. Gabe, give us a sense of how Nairobi feels today. What's the reaction in town?
Well, I can't say that people were really surprised that this case was about to fall apart. There had been a lot of indications over the past few months, even the past year, that the prosecution's case was failing. Part of that because witnesses were dropping out, because the prosecutor kept asking for delays to the trial. So it was more a sense that this was kind of an inevitable thing that was going to happen. Of course, as you mentioned, there's been a huge celebration coming from State House at this moment, with President Kenyatta very happy with what happened.
President Kenyatta is very happy, but should people assume that the whole country is celebrating?
No, of course not. I think that this is actually going to be a very traumatic or sad moment for many of the victims of the post-election violence, which was, of course, the center of the case against Mr. Kenyatta and the continuing case against his deputy. You know, I was speaking today to somebody who works with the displaced people, and he says there's still over 40,000 people who are displaced living in camps in Kenya who had lost their homes and their livelihoods during that violence. So for people like that, there's a sense that there was really no justice. They're angry with Kenyan leadership, but also angry at the ICC for feeling.
Mm-hmm. Now, Gabe, we know that this case took a political dimension. What implication is it likely? Okay, we kind of lost Gabe there. Some technical difficulties. Gabe Josler reporting live via Skype from Nairobi, Kenya.